Hello students, next topic of chapter 12 is circles. How to find the circumference of a circle and area of a circle. And in this video we will discuss how to find circumference of a circle. Circumference is perimeter. If we want to find the perimeter of a circle, this is a circle. This is the center of this circle. And if we want to find the perimeter of this circle, then this boundary, the measurement of this boundary will be called the circumference. The circumference of a circle is the measurement of the boundary. And if we want to find the circumference of this circle, we can use a tape. Okay, we can use a tape and put the tape around the curved surface of this circle. Then we can measure the length of the tape. Then that length will be the circumference of this circle. And in this topic we will discuss what is the formula to find circumference of the circle. So here you are given the meaning of circumference, the length around a circular region. The length around a circular region is known as its circumference. So now here is we are given a table and we are given 5 circles, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and these 5 circles radius is also given. One circle's radius is 4 centimeter, second circle's radius is 3.5. In this way we are given radius in this column. In second column we are given diameter. We already know that diameter is the double of the radius. Diameter is double of the radius. Then we are also given the circumference of all these circles. This is circumference of all these circles. And then we are given ratio of circumference to diameter. If we want to find the ratio of circumference to diameter, then it is same in all the cases. In all cases it is 3.14. Approximately it is same, 3.14. So we can say that C over D is equal to pi. The value 3.14 is the value of pi. Okay, pi means this Greek letter. This pi is a Greek letter. As in English we have 26 alphabets, A, B, C up to Z. So in the same way in Greek language there are Greek letters which are denoted as alpha, beta, gamma, and also there are many Greek letters and one of them is pi. One of them is pi and the value of pi is constant, that is 22/7 or 3.14. Both values are same. If we solve 22/7 then we get 3.14. And we mostly take its value, the value of pi, up to 2 decimal places only. Okay, we almost take the value of pi up to 2 decimal places, that is 3.14. We can take any value, that is 22/7 or 3.14. It is same. So this is the pi. And we can say that C over D is equal to pi. C means circumference, D means diameter, and pi is 3.14. So in all cases we have discussed, we have seen that the ratio of circumference to diameter is same, that is 3.14. So this is C over D is equal to pi. So now here we can solve it, that is transpose D to right hand side to find the value of circumference of circle. So circumference of circle will be equal to pi into D. And here D is the diameter. So value of D will be equal to 2 into R, that is 2 multiply radius. So we can write it, C is equal to pi D can be written as C is equal to pi into 2r. Pi into 2r. Then it becomes 2 pi r. Pi into 2r can be written as 2 pi r. So this becomes the formula to find circumference of a circle. This becomes the formula to find circumference of a circle. So its value is C is equal to, that is circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, where value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14, and value of radius will be given to you. Value of radius, that is r is radius, pi is constant, that is 22/7 or 3.14, and this is multiple of 2. You have to write it in the multiple of 2, that is formula to find circumference of a circle will be 2 into pi r. So this is the formula. Now we have to solve some examples by using this formula. First example is find the circumference of a circle with diameter 20 meter and take pi is equal to 3.14. We are given that you have to take the value of pi as 3.14. And we have to find the circumference. We are given diameter. So firstly we have to find the radius, because in the formula of circumference there is radius, not diameter. So diameter, radius will be equal to half of diameter. So half of diameter is 10. That is, we have to divide it by 2. Then we get 10. So radius is 10 meter. Then circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Then put the values and then you will get your answer. Next example is the radius of a bangle is 6 centimeter. Bangle will be in the shape of a circle and it is to be wrapped around with the lace ones. We have to wrap it with the lace. What is the length of lace? We have to find the length of the lace and we have to put the lace around it, that is around its boundary. So that means we have to find the circumference, and the value of circumference is, formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Then put the values. 2 into value of pi we have to take 3.14, then multiply radius. Radius is 6. Then solve it and you will get your answer. Next example is find the perimeter of a semicircle with radius 7 centimeter and take pi is equal to 22/7. Here we have to take value of pi as 22/7. Here is a semicircle, radius is 7 centimeter and we have to find its perimeter. Perimeter will be the whole length of the boundary, that is this one and this one. So this is the length of the boundary. So to find the perimeter of this semicircle, firstly we have to know what is the circumference of a circle. This is 2 pi r. Then we have to find half of this 2 pi r. Then we will get the value of this curved area. We will find the value of this curved length. Okay, this curved length, and then this straight line is left, and to find the value of this straight line, this is diameter. You can see that this is diameter, and value of diameter is double of radius. Diameter is always double of radius, and radius is 7, so diameter will be 14, that is 2r. So circumference of this semicircle will be equal to half of 2 pi r plus 2 into radius. Half of 2 pi r, that is the length of this curved surface, plus 2r, that is plus diameter. Then put their values. Half into 2 pi r is pi r plus 2r, and value of pi here we have to use 22/7 into 7 plus 2 into 7. Then 7 will be cancelled out by 7. Then we get 22 plus 14. Then it is 36. So perimeter of semicircle is 36 centimeter. Then next example is find the radius of the circle if its circumference is 66 centimeter. Now you are given the circumference but you have to find the radius. So use the formula of circumference. C is equal to 2 pi r. Value of circumference is 66 and 2 into value of pi we have to take here 22 by 7 into r. Now transpose other values and find the value of radius. Then radius will be equal to 10.5 centimeter. So in this way you can find radius if you are given the circumference of a circle. Next example is Ram wants to fence his circular garden of diameter 28 meter with a rope. So we are given a circular garden and its diameter is 28 meter. Find the length of the rope required. Ram wants to fence his garden. So fencing should be done on the boundary of the garden. So that means we have to find the circumference of the circle and find the length of rope required. We have to find the length of rope with the help of which he want to fence his garden. So length of rope will be equal to circumference of this circle. So firstly we have to find the circumference. To find circumference we have to know the radius. So we can find the radius because we are given diameter. Radius is equal to half of diameter, so it is 14 meter. Then length of rope required, length of rope needed for fencing will be equal to circumference of garden. Circumference of garden will be 2 pi r and value of pi we have to take here 22 by 7 into radius is 14. Then calculate it and you get 88 meter. So length of rope needed is 88 meter. Then we are given one more thing. If the cost of 1 meter of rope is rupees 6, then find the cost of the rope. We are given cost of 1 meter of rope which is rupees 6. Then we have to find the cost of 88 meter of rope. Then it will be 88 multiply 6, that is rupees 528. Next example is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 18 centimeter. This is a clock and we are given the length of a minute hand. It is 18 centimeter, that is it will be radius. It will be equal to radius of a circle. Then we have to find the distance covered by the minute hand in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much distance will the minute hand cover? In 1 hour, it will cover one circle. It will cover the full circle. Okay. So we have to find the circumference. That means it will be equal to the circumference of the circle. So radius of the circle traced by the minute hand will be equal to length of the minute hand, which is 18. In one hand, the minute hand will cover the whole circle, that is circumference of this clock, and circumference is 2 pi r. Then put the value of radius and pi, then you will get your answer. Next question is, a wire of length 88 centimeter is bent in the shape of a circle. We have a wire of 88 centimeter and if we want to bend it in the shape of a circle, it is bent in the shape of a circle. So the circumference of this circle will be equal to the length of this wire, which is 88. So circumference of this circle is also 88 centimeter. Then we can easily find the value of radius. Find the radius of this circle. So circumference, length of wire will be equal to circumference of circle and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Then put the values. Circumference of circle is 88 and 88 will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 88. Sorry, into radius we don't know. So we have to find the radius. So keep it, write it as it is. Write the r as it is. Then we get radius is equal to 88 multiply 1 by 2 multiply 7 by 22. That is, we have transposed these values. Then we get the value of radius 14 centimeter. Now also find the cost of lace required to put around 8 if the cost of 1 centimeter of lace is rupees 5 rupees and 50 paise. So we are given the cost of 1 centimeter of lace, which is 5.50. Then we have to find the cost of lace required. So cost of 88 centimeter of lace will be 88 multiply 5.50. Then we get rupees 484. So this is the cost of 88 centimeter of lace, because we require 88 centimeter of lace to put around the circle. If this is a circle, then we will put the lace around this. So it will be 484 rupees. The cost of this lace will be 484 rupees. And then next topic is area of circle, and we will discuss this topic in detail in next video. So thank you students.